Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns, a popular app that helps people save and invest money. Acorns is a great way to start saving, even if you don't have a lot of money to spare. In fact, Acorns can even help you get free money. But before we get into the details, let's take a step back and talk about what Acorns is and how it works. Acorns is a robo-advisor, which means that it uses algorithms to invest your money for you. You simply tell Acorns how much you want to save each month, and it will automatically invest that money for you. Acorns offers a variety of investment options, so you can choose the one that's right for you. You can also choose how much risk you're willing to take. Acorns is a great option for people who are new to investing or who don't have a lot of time to manage their finances. How Acorns works. Now that we know what Acorns is, let's talk about how it can help you get free money. Acorns has a number of features that can help you save more money, including roundups. Every time you make a purchase with your linked debit or credit card, Acorns will round up the amount to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you spend $10.25, Acorns will round it up to $11 and invest 75 cents. Recurring investments. You can set up recurring investments to automatically transfer money from your bank account to your Acorns account. This is a great way to save money without even thinking about it. Bonus rewards. Acorns offers a number of bonus rewards that can help you earn even more money. For example, you can earn bonus rewards for signing up for Acorns, referring friends to Acorns, and using your Acorns card. How much money can you make with Acorns? The amount of money you can make with Acorns depends on a number of factors, including how much you invest, how long you invest for, and the performance of the stock market. However, Acorns can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Is Acorns right for you? Acorns is a great option for people who are looking for an easy and affordable way to start saving and investing. Acorns is also a good option for people who are new to investing or who don't have a lot of time to manage their finances. However, Acorns is not for everyone. If you're looking for a hands-on approach to investing, Acorns may not be the right choice for you. Acorns is a great way to get started with investing, even if you don't have a lot of money to spare. Acorns can help you save money automatically and earn bonus rewards. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to grow your wealth, Acorns is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Acorns, be sure to check out their website or download the app. You can also sign up for a free trial to see how Acorns works. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Acorns and how it can help you get free money. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.